So today we are unboxing a product by Unitree Fitness. This is a new product in the fitness equipment world by a robotics company. It is the Unitree Pump. So it's based around a resistance band sort of equipment, but it's electronic. So we will just unbox it today and see what comes in the box. I am a Kickstarter backer, so these have arrived just as the units themselves. The accessories, as advised by the Unitree team, will be posted out separately via sea shipping, so I'll unbox those later. But the units themselves have been air freighted, and they've just arrived about 20 minutes ago, so just gonna unbox it. So it's a new product for 2022, and it's Unitree's first foray into fitness equipment. So I'll put a link to the Kickstarter campaign below. So this is how it comes. And what else is in here? Foam. So there you can see the size of it. Your pocket gym. In the box you get some accessories. Unitree pump, which is the unit itself, a door anchor fixing, pull rope handle, annular fixing belt, extension rope, power cable, storage pouch, ankle fixing accessories, manual and safety buckle. And it is app driven via Bluetooth connection to the Pump Pro itself. Serial name, batch numbers, packaging off, nicely packaged. That's the cardboard to the side. Unit itself, quite well made actually, and nice colorway. So keep unboxing it, packaging. It looks like an accessories box, a manual, and here are some of the accessories here. So this looks like the door. It's the door fixing belt anchor. So this fits in the door jamb. Overall it seems to be quite well made, which is great to see. Some more accessories. And the safety buckle. So that's it for what's in the box. That appears to be a charging cable in there, so it charges via USB type C, and they've put in some adapters in there, so it's a USB-C to USB-A cable, but there is an adapter included, so it can go C to C, and there's the C to C charging jack there. Battery input is 20 volts at 1.2 amps. So there we go. So I won't have time to set that one up, and in this video this is just an unboxing. but you can see some accessories there. And I'll leave it at that for an unboxing of the Unitree Pump Pro.